Hello friends, essentials of good English. Communication is a synonymous with life. If we look back at a day we usually spend, we would realize that one cannot live without communication. From the moment we wake up to when we retire to bed, we are continually communicating. Most of the time we use language to express ourselves. However, it is also true that the language of one person is different from that of another. In a sense, words of a language are nothing but a series of symbols. Different people may choose different symbols even to describe the same thing. Even Salman Rushdie says, who is novelist in a TV interview, the language of a politician obscures the truth. The language of an artist reveals it. Whether we communicate through writing or speech, language continues to play an important role. For instance, the increasing use of telephone recording devices such as dictaphone, answering machines, live broadcasting and telecasting, and video conferencing have only shifted the focus from writing to speech. At another time, we may prefer to use sign or gesture. We may smile to convey a sense of happiness or welcome or a frown to hint that we are angry and annoyed. Whatever be the medium, it is important to exchange thoughts and ideas with others if we have to play a meaningful role in a society. Communication is equally important to carry on one business or another. People define business differently. The liberal meaning of the term business includes provision or goods and services by an organized group for social consumption. Such a concept even include activities of organization financed by the public exchequer. For example, health services, private sector groups like NGOs and charities are also included. Most people, however, choose a narrower sense of the word business, which restrict it to the activities involving a commercial sale and thus carried on for profit. This encompasses sole proprietorship, partnership, limited companies, and public sector undertakings set up with taxpayers' money. To carry out business of any kind, we have to interact with a large number of people. Some of them are members of our organization, while others are outsiders. Unless we learn to communicate effectively, we cannot achieve the goal of business. Proficiency in English, which may emerge as a linked language within different states of India and abroad, is essential. As Nayantara Sehgal, a noted novelist, said in the course of a TV interview, English has become the global language of business and finance. Colleges teach the one thing that is perhaps most valuable for the future employees to know. This one basic skill is to organize and express ideas in writing and speaking. Peter Drucker, reputed management specialist, an article in Wall Street Journal. Thank you. So, this is the essential of good English.